Hold fire, hold fire, hold fire! Oh, man. Ooh, what's up? We back today here. We finna make another video today at the range. Finna get it in. Let me show y'all what this arsenal looking like. Now we're gonna have to fast track. I didn't start recording early this morning. I actually just came out here to San Antonio at Lone Star Handgun Shooting Range today. I didn't record when I was leaving, but y'all finna see now fast track with what I got going on. You see right here my little arsenal. You know, we got the GLOCK19 right here. New FN509. 9mm as well. Then, you know, I got my baby, my AR pistol with my little customizations. Bro got everything put up.
Hold on.
Not ready at all.
You didn't give me a heads up.
You know what's gonna be going on.
Look, it's one zip.
Show us what you got going on up in here.
I believe this is like the 16-inch barrel.
Okay.
Ruger 5.56.
Ooh.
With a nice vortex scope. Only goes up to about 600 yards, you know what I'm saying, for little hog shooting and whatnot.
Ooh, okay.
This is little brother.
Ooh.
This the baby brother. This is the 5.56 pistol. Personally, my favorite.
Okay.
Yeah, red dot on it, you know, for up close and personal. But when you want to get back up and get some distance, you can.
I feel it.
Yeah, I really like shooting this bad boy.
Ooh, what's that? Make sure we clear.
We clear. Glock 45, 9mm. This is Glock's full-size handgun, you know. I'm a bigger dude, I got big hands.
Okay.
I don't mind the full-size handgun. Hollison red dot with Streamlight.
What's the lumen on that?
1,000.
Ooh.
Yeah. You know, just with my cousin, Wall Street B, so.
Okay. Shout out to Wall
Day in
Street
the life
B.
of a Texas man. You know what I'm saying?
All right, just to give y'all a little basics of my layout right here. Kydex, little, I don't know, thigh holster. Somebody I ordered, you know, we on a budget. You don't need nothing too fancy if you finna go shoot. We also got the same, you know, for the extra magazine and the 5.56 clip here for the 9 and the 5.56. So, basic belt, you know, you don't need nothing too crazy. A little simple setup, but I really like going to the range when they got the steel targets, because you can really hear what you're hitting and really know if you know what you're doing. Let's see if I know what I'm doing. My 509 here, FN. You know, make sure we load it up. Yep, one in the chamber ready to go. Ooh. You gotta catch it. Ah. I'm gonna try to catch the last two.
Let's go.
Ah. Ah! Not that easy as it looks. Okay.
Let me jump in. I want to.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. I'll tell you what, the only thing that sucks, I gotta keep loading everything by myself. We need somebody to be over here, a designated loader. Or a robot. Right? That's what's gonna help. You know, also what's really pissing me off? Why is the freaking gun prices so high? 9mm. If you buy guns and you know you buy ammunition all the time, you know shit's really out of control right now. Really out of control. I might be doing too much vlogging, need to do more shooting. See it right there?
Testing that 45 out.
Iron sights.
iron sight.
Yeah, everybody ain't got to rock with a red dot. Everybody ain't got to rock with a red dot, huh?
Nah.
That's for the fancy people. That's for them bougie motherfuckers.
Red dots, people hate them, people love them.
Yeah.
I've never seen anybody really on the fence about them. You either like them or you love them. A lot of people are old school, the iron sights, they do just well. Some people evolved and went with the new generation of things and rock with the red dot. I personally, I don't have it on me. I'm good with both. Either or, I'm good with both. Because I paid for the red dot.
You gotta use it.
Cheap.
You gotta use it now.
I paid for it, so you know, I made myself, I got used to it.
Does it make you more efficient is the question. Are you more efficient with that red dot?
If you sight it, if you zero your red dot good, that's what it comes down to.
That's another video. They don't even know about that.
Go.
Look who late to the party.
Gang, 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 gang.
How you like that?
Do what? Just right here?
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. You know, it's cool with me. Make me feel real tactical and shit.
Oh, it's on your kneecap.
You know, make me feel real tactical.
It's on your crotch.
I would say the only negative is this, they keep loosening up.
Yeah, I was gonna say, look.
They keep loosening up and shit. But overall, you know, it's cool with me. Keep it right here. You know, the holster is cool, but I'd rather go in the thigh. Let's see, what we gonna shoot
There's
at?
so many fucking ammo in the bag.
You gotta, we gotta set the steel targets back up.
Oh, well, let's set these motherfuckers back up.
No, stick to your regular drill. What you was finna do? What you finna do? Explain your drill you finna do.
I don't really have a drill per se at the moment. Right now, I'm just shooting, getting warmed up. I might go up and fuck with this shit behind the barrier.
Right, sir.
Cause you see a nigga come up out of there, you looking.
You going high.
Ah. That hoe go high. You see it? Too low. Damn, I can't even find that shit.
Tell them the reality of shooting, because you know people watch movies, they see the characters shoot, they think it's easy to be a John Wick.
It's not a fucking game out here. We shooting iron sights, new gun that I'm figuring out. But if y'all want to see really niggas hit shit, get the red dot. But iron sights, you gonna know if you really that dude or not. We're gonna change our guns. I've been missing too much. You know, with the GLOCK19. See what's better. Turn my motherfucking red dot on.
Aim that way before they come out here tripping.
Yeah, they's gonna be tripping. My bad. Can't aim down there while bro there either.
I feel like I need a bigger one.
Alright, let's see now. Let's see. See, it's a lot easier now, huh? Let's go. Finish it off. Finish it off.
That was it. That was it.
Red dot a lot different, I tell you that. Make sure we clear. We clear.
Red dot doesn't necessarily make you a better shooter. You still have to have all the skill in the world. It's
That's
just
facts.
if you get comfortable with the red dot, you got it zeroed precisely, then it's gonna translate into the shot. But if you can't shoot iron sights, that doesn't mean you're gonna be a good red dot shooter.
Facts. Doesn't necessarily save your life.
Red dot is not a cheat code.
And guess what? Everybody don't carry red dots around in their car either.
Yeah.
Cause this pretty expensive when everything's said and done, buddy. You don't want to get that taken. Cause sadly, I was a victim of theft.
Dang.
I was out with friends enjoying a birthday celebration at a local club in Houston. Had a great time. Same day I went mudding. Came back, my car was vandalized. Took everything out of my car, took my gun, my everyday carry. But we're here, still alive, still staying dangerous. And we're gonna stay safe. You know, honestly, I don't know which is better weather. When it's hot or it's cold like it is right now. Cause I don't even wear my gloves when I shoot. But I got them on right now cause I'm cold as fuck. But right now we just at the 25 yard, 30 yard, 35 yards? Yeah, so we at 35 yards right now, pistol range. Only shooting at steel targets with only pistols. Let me give y'all a look at what we got going on. You know, we just got little barriers here. Do some little slight movements and stuff. Little floating targets. You know, it's simple stuff. If y'all ain't never been to a range where they got steel targets, this is where you know what you hit. You know, just push shit back, of course, when you're done. You see people been doing a lot of shooting. It's kind of back where we are. It's a nice range here at Lone Star. A lot of different options that we can do as far as shooting at different type of angles. You got single lanes and stuff over there. We finna move right now?
Yeah, I'm finna go get my shotgun.
Okay. Ooh, check out the layout we got over here though. This is semi-automatic right here. It's a bad boy right here. Got another pistol.
Still the same shit?
I'm over here shooting the Draco. My least favorite gun. My least favorite gun. Damn. That hoe jammed again?
Huh?
They keep jamming? Or it's not loading it?
It's not loading it.
Is it the mag or is it the bullets?
It's the ammunition, it's the rounds.
Mmm.
Because this brand I have, I forgot what brand it was, I just bought them because they were cheap. And I experienced this, but when I went to the range and bought their ammunition that they provided for this weapon,
yeah,
it was semi-automatic. But right now, it's just a single action. See, you got it.
That's some bullshit.
This gun on sale.
Hit him up.
Selling this bad boy.
Hit him up. With the 100-round drum.
3 30-round magazines, 75-round drum. It's a nice little deal.
Then what this is? This that 12 gauge semi-automatic? Okay.
$1,200 shotgun.
Okay, we're gonna see what it do. Cause we ain't even gotta pump this motherfucker. Hey. Oh. See, that's 5 right there. Hey, this hoe is, I need to pull this hoe back to load this bitch. Oh, it's already ready to go.
Pull it back.
Ooh-wee. Let's see what it do.
That's heavy duty.
Let's see what it do. They got the light on it too. Yeah, we gotta keep reloading everything. That's what's annoying.
Just pay me $5. Nah, never mind.
Pay you how much?
Hey, I finna say the wrong number.
What my payment at? What my hundred at?
Shit, for what?
Nigga, Drew Brees getting beat by the GOAT.
Man, that wasn't my fault. He got beat by the government.
What?
The government.
Yes.
What?
Nigga went left.
Oh, fuck. Nigga, shoot that up off his face.
Nigga. The fuck? Oh man, this kid's just going crazy. Clear! Hold fire, hold fire, hold fire! Oh man.
Well, that's gonna wrap up today. It got real cold out here, but we got some good fun in today at the range, outside shooting. Burned through a lot of ammo, saved a lot too. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna be signing off, and I'm gonna be back.